Hello students, welcome to the English Academy. My name is Ruchika. In this video, I have a poem for students of class 4, Noses. Here I will cover the question and answers and grammar exercises in the poem. Question and answers. The first one is, why does the poet feel that the nose is a funny thing? The answer is, the poet feels that the nose is a funny thing because it sticks out of the face like a handle, shows out all of it, and has two holes under it. The next one is, why is a nose important for you? The answer is, nose is important for us because the two holes in it are used by us for breathing. Students, have you ever felt your breath go in and come out of your nose? You should try it. Then you will come to know what are these nostrils or holes in your nose used for. The next question is, does the child in the poem like her nose? Why do you think so? The answer is no. The child in the poem does not like her nose. Further, the lines in the last stanza of the poem. If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to do it about, just look in the mirror and then, no doubt, you will see how funny your nose sticks out. So these lines indicate that if ever the child wants to giggle and laugh about something, she can look at her nose in the mirror and laugh at it because it is so funny. This shows that she does not like her nose. Now here are some practice exercises based on grammar. The first one is, look at your friend's face and describe what you see. Here, describing words, also known as adjectives, are words which are used to describe a noun or a pronoun. They describe the noun in terms of colors, shapes, qualities, sizes, etc. Some examples of these words are white, oval, big, round, pretty, tiny, old, and so on. Now I have a few examples for you. Tina has an oval face. Ria's complexion is fair. Annie has a sharp nose. Tiara has a slanted jawline. The color of your eyes is hazel. Students, all the words written in red color are adjectives or describing words. Similarly, you should also try and make some sentences based on how you see different faces of people around you. The next exercise is, what is your favorite fruit? Describe it in 5 sentences. Students, you can describe your own favorite fruits. As an example, one of my favorite fruits is mango. So here are 5 sentences about it. Mangoes are very sweet and tasteful. Their color is bright orange. They have a single seed and a thick layer of pulp. Mangoes are very juicy. I like to drink mango smoothie in summers as it is cooling. So you can see all these words which I have underlined are describing words. Now the next exercise is, do you know a fish breathes from its gills? Now you have to write 2 sentences about other animals which can breathe underwater. Students, do you know any animals which can breathe underwater? I have some of them for you. The first is sharks. So a sentence with them is, sharks live underwater and breathe from gills. The next is oysters breathe through gills and mantle. The next exercise is punctuation. You have to punctuate the given passage. Mother, father, Neelam said, I have got a fire engine. I've got a fire engine. What's this? What's this? Called mother, somewhat confused by the noise. I've got a fire engine, mother. Come and see it. Students, without punctuation, this is just a group of words but does not convey any proper thought. Now you will see how by putting punctuation you can understand the meaning and the thought which is conveyed in this. First of all, as a person is saying these words, we will put a double inverted comma followed by a capital letter M, mother, then a comma, father, exclamation mark, inverted comma close, comma, Neelam said, full stop. Then the next sentence begins with inverted comma open, capital letter I have got a fire engine, comma, capital letter I apostrophe VE, I have got a fire engine, full stop, inverted comma close. Again inverted comma begin, capital W, what's apostrophe S, what's this, comma, what's this, question mark, inverted comma close, comma, called mother, comma, somewhat confused by the noise, full stop. Inverted comma open, capital letter I, apostrophe VE, I have got a fire engine, comma, mother, full stop, capital letter C, come and see it, full stop, inverted comma close. Now the thought conveyed by this is that the girl Neelam is calling out to her mother and father. We have put an exclamation mark because she is very excited. Then she says to them that she has got a fire engine, so we have again put it in inverted commas. Then further her mother says, what's this, what's this? And she is asking a question, so we have put a question mark. Somewhat confused by the noise is the narrator's wordings, so we do not put it in inverted commas. Then again Neelam is saying, I have got a fire engine, mother, come and see it. So again we have put it in inverted commas. And we have used apostrophe as a contraction because we have omitted HA from have. So we have used an apostrophe mark instead of these two alphabets. I hope I have made you clear how you use punctuation marks to convey your thoughts properly. The next exercise is using a red pencil, choose and underline the things whose smell you like. Now with the blue pencil, underline the things whose smell you do not like. Make 5 sentences like I like or I do not like the smell of something because it reminds me of something. I have a few words for you. The things whose smell I like are coffee, elaichi, soap, agarbatti, marigold, rose, scent, chocolate, shampoo, champa. Some things whose smell I do not like are paint, garbage, dirty shoes, petrol, chips, rotten fruit. Now some example sentences for you. The first one is I like the smell of scent because it reminds me of rose. I like the smell of shampoo because it reminds me of chocolate. I do not like the smell of dirty shoes because it reminds me of garbage. I do not like the smell of paint as it reminds me of petrol. I like the smell of agarbatti as it reminds me of champa. The next exercise is write 3 pairs of words which rhyme with each other from the following. Now you have to read this passage and find out 3 pairs of rhyming words. What is it? Tall ears, twinkly nose, tiny tail and hop he goes. What is he? Can you guess? I feed him carrots and watercress. His ears are long, his tail is small, and he doesn't make any noise at all. Tall ears, twinkly nose, tiny tail and hop he goes. Students, if you will use proper pronunciation, you can yourself make out the pairs of rhyming words. Here is the answer for you. The pairs of rhyming words are nose, goes, guess, watercress, small, all. Thank you students for watching this video. For more such videos, do subscribe to our channel, The English Academy, and follow this link given below to watch the video for the explanation and new words of this poem.